In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a credit card to your Google Ads account in 2025. This process is straightforward and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can easily and efficiently manage your payment options. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to add your credit card without any hassle, making sure your ad campaigns never miss a beat due to payment issues. Let's start by heading over to the Google Ads homepage. Once you're on the dashboard, the first thing you want to do is navigate to the overview section. You'll find this in the main navigation menu. The overview page gives you a snapshot of your campaign performance, billing, and other important account metrics, which serves as a fantastic starting point for managing your Google Ads account. Now let's move on to the next crucial part, locating the billing section. Look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen and click on the billing option. This will take you to a page where all of your current billing information and history are located. Here you'll have access to your current payment methods, billing activity, and various payment settings. With the billing page open, the next step is clicking on payment methods. This section will show you all existing payment options that are currently associated with your account. It's always a good idea to regularly review this page to keep your payment details up to date, ensuring your ads continue running smoothly. The next part of our journey is adding a backup payment method. Look for an option on this page that says add a backup payment method and click on it. Adding a backup option means that if your primary payment method fails for some reason, your ads won't stop running. It's an excellent way to ensure your campaigns maintain momentum without interruption. Finally, let's get to the step of adding your credit card. After clicking on add a backup payment method, you'll find an option to add credit or debit card. Click on this to proceed. A form will appear where you need to input your credit card details, including your card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter these details carefully to avoid any errors. Once you've entered your information, double check everything to ensure accuracy, then click Save or Submit to finalize the addition of your new payment method. Congratulations, you've just added a credit card to your Google Ads account. This setup ensures that you're always ready to run your campaigns without a hitch. Remember, keeping your payment details accurate and up to date is crucial in the fast-paced world of online advertising. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for your needs. If you have any questions or require further assistance, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy advertising!